Bitcoin had an incredible pump over the day that I decided to go golfing, but let's take a look at price. Let's make sure to get you guys started on the right path today. What's going on? Alex O Crypto here, going into the Bitcoin price. Much love to every single one of you guys. Man, oh man, what a pump did we have here. We are coming down currently right now, coming up to a golden pocket, getting rejected. However, yesterday, man, oh man, we took the long and we got out early, okay? Like, this is the thing with trading. Sometimes you can't just hold a trade and be perfect all the time. We had the perfect Fibonacci golden pocket retracement level that we were looking at. We got long here, okay? The proof is in the pudding. However, you guys thought it was better to make fun of my golfing here and make me look like a Peaky Blinder. And I quit smoking almost 3 years ago. So that does not count because I don't smoke anymore. However, we did get long. Man, join us in the free Discord. So much good stuff. We got long right here. You can see it. 67,600. We go over here. 67,600. Okay, so we caught that wick. It was pretty awesome in the morning, and we should have held it a little bit longer. However, we did go golfing and enjoyed the day nonetheless, and we enjoyed the profits into the day. Now, we did have another trade set up by Kyle, and everybody else has been making bank off of Gala. So thank you, Kyle, for sharing that trade setup with us. And Brewberry, always giving the lessons, always giving the setups as well. So why wouldn't you want to join us here? So going into the Bitcoin price, what can we expect for today? What are we looking for? And what has happened, really? Okay, so what we're going to look at here is that we have come up into another golden pocket. Okay, we're in the golden pocket world. Okay, and you can see here that we do have our little bit of a bounce. Okay, we got this beautiful bull div here pushing up. This high wasn't too significant, and you can see how we trickled down right now. So what we're looking to do is get up to this all-time high. That is our target right now. However, the concerning part about that is that we have put in a lower low here. So we have come down, we've put in a lower low here. So are we expecting that continuation down? Is this a fake out, right? That is the question right now. Well, until proven otherwise, we are looking for higher highs and higher lows in the small term time frame. Okay, so we are getting a little bit of a bounce here from a key level that we were looking at the other day. And let's see if we can continue our way onwards and upwards. But that's just something to be aware of. Now, everybody and their brother and sister and probably their grandmother and their dog now are talking about this trend line. Okay, so this trend line here, you can see the triangle. As we get in the triangle, we are creating some sort of wedge here. I also have this one following up right now, which has been respected as well. So you can see here, we have broken out yet again. Okay, you can see here and you can see here that we have broken out of this big triangle. Is this the fake out and the liquidity grab before the actual move? Well, we'll have to wait and find out. Today we do have a little bit of news coming out. So it's the PPI PPI coming out today, and then tomorrow we have consumer sentiment. Okay, so not too bad as yesterday. Inflation coming in hot. However, we need to be prepared for everything, so that's around 8:30 this morning. This video should be out just before then, I think so. It's 7:48 right now, so anticipating that. So I do have some trade areas for you guys here that we just currently got a bounce off of right now, which was another significant low. Looking for a reaction in price. It came down. I still believe we can still come within this area, possibly down to this area and retest it as well, because this is the micro golden pocket as well for this range. So if we go from here to here, you can see we have this golden pocket here. And if we go on like a shorter term time frame, matched up with Confluence with a significant high, okay, we do have another one right within here. Okay, so we do have two bounce areas that we are looking for. So make sure to add those to your guys' charts, and you can see all those levels over here. Okay, make sure to add them over here, and then add your boxes as you see fit. Okay. And we're really looking for a reaction in price here to continue upwards. That would be ideal. As you can see, we're getting a little bit of a wick here. However, we would want to see some bottoming formations and reversals. So looking here, we are getting rejected off of the golden pocket. Okay, so this is the big golden pocket up top that we had given you guys in advance as well. Looking here, okay, so you can see here, getting a bit of a rejection off of that area as well. So something to be cautious about. We could be looking for that continuation down. Okay, we want to be careful. Nonetheless, using good stop losses and using good risk management today, that would be crucial. Okay, going into the daily, today is Thursday. Thursdays are typical down days. If you do watch Eric Crown, you do get those beautiful, beautiful statistics. So shout out to Eric Crown. Thank you for providing so much alpha to the space. Looking here on the daily, we can see that we have pushed back up here, and we've gotten a nice bounce off the zero line. This is great. Okay, this looks like continuation, and you can see money flow is slowly trying to push its way back up. Okay, that's good. Good. Okay, we were looking at the 3-day mostly, and we can see that this money flow is thick as ever. We have a confirmed green dot here, the VWAP crossover to the upside. So this is looking good in my opinion as well. And we weren't too fond of the 2-day because it's just very giving very bad signals with the wicks and the candlestick patterns. So let's ignore the 2-day. Now, what's going to happen for today? What am I expecting? Well, you can see the 12-hour VWAP crossover. This is looking good. However, let's wait and find out this morning what happens if we do get a push down, because we do have money flow coming out. Okay, money flow is coming out, and it's very, very choppy. What do I mean by that? Well, you can see here we're going red, green, and then we're going red, green here. We have a green dot suggesting that we have more upside. So let's see how this transpires this morning. Okay, that's going to be indicative of the move of this crossover and the continuation to the upside. Going over to the 4-hour, what do we see? Well, the 4-hour here, you can see we have anchor trigger hidden. However, right now this was a big wick to the downside. Okay, so you can see that buyers are definitely coming in, grabbing up the price down here and pushing price up. Okay, it doesn't mean that this move cannot be grabbed before heading up. Okay, we didn't grab the full CME gap here, but we have now grabbed the CME gap that was up here. So we'll have to see. Wait and find out, but this does look like it could continue down. So I would be very patient with the trading today. Looking at the money flow remains thick, so this is good. So we can see the money flow is slowly remaining thick on the 4-hour, which is a good sign. However, we have some negative posturing here on the stochastics and the VWAP. So today I would like to see the VWAP bounce off the 4-hour and this hold the zero line within the stochastics here. Okay, this would be the zero line here. I would like to see that hold as well, and that would give me a better idea of a continuation of this bounce off the golden pocket. Going over to our 3-hour, same kind of thing. Bounce off the zero line would be nice. 2-hour, now we've crossed the zero line, so we want to see that creep back up and in. Okay, coming up to key levels of support. Money flow on the 1-hour, we'd like to see it coming back in. We can see VWAP's getting a bit extended, so this could be a bounce in the short term. So let's wait for that and see what that gives us. Overall, let's just be prepared, be ready for price action, and see what today gives us. Okay, we could get a little bit of a rollover here and a couple reactions on these key levels. I'll be sure to share this with you guys in the Discord. Also, guys, exclusive, finally partnering with an exchange. Okay, an exclusive deal. Blowfin, guys. First 200 users only. Sign up bonus from April 9th to April 17th. Okay, so this is pretty awesome. Finally getting a good exchange and a good sponsorship. If you're interested, the links all down here in the announcement section / the sponsored links. All you have to do is sign up with that link, yada, yada, yada. But yeah, we're trying to bring you guys a good sponsorship, and it's a way to show your appreciation and all that stuff for a free Discord and all that stuff. So I greatly appreciate if you guys want to support the channel in any way, yada, yada, yada. I guess I got to get better at being a better salesman for myself. However, I'm not here to show you anything. We're here to learn and grow together, but that does help support the channel, so that would be greatly appreciated. But nonetheless, be cautious. Let's see what transpires today. I would be looking for a reaction of price as we're coming down right now. Let's see what we get. A little bit of a bounce. If not, I would expect us to come possibly down to here. So let's be patient. Let's see what price gives us, and let's be winning. Thank you so much for being here. Much love to every single one of you guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day, and we'll see you guys later for the live from 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. tonight. Peace.